Boosh! What's up guys, it's Ben back again with another video. Today we're going to go over this $60 video light and whether it's a good purchase or not, as well as where did my beard go? Let's get into it. A content creator needs three things: a camera, somewhere to film, and last, a light to illuminate the subject of their video. Today, we're going to talk about what I believe to be the best budget light that I found this year for under $60. But first, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ben. I make videos and vlogs about photography and tech. If that is something that you're interested in, consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the family. One of the things that I like to do in every video is improve something every time to make the video look and feel better to the viewer. Whether that be a new angle or even the fact that I now write my scripts for the videos so that I can stay on track. But this time I wanted to improve my lighting. I've been using the same lighting setup for my videos for the past couple of years now, and I still plan to use this lighting, but I wanted to add a little more. Unfortunately, lighting is one of those things that can be pretty expensive, and as of right now, the YouTube money isn't moneying yet, so I have to work on a budget. I decided that my budget was going to be $75, and it turns out I only really needed 60, not counting shipping. Without further interruption, I give you the SmallRig RM120 video light. Quick disclaimer before we get into the rest of the video, I bought this light with my own money. SmallRig did not send this light to me. However, I do have a link in the description of this video where you can go and buy this light. And the link is an affiliate link, which means I do get a little bit of a kickback when you purchase the light. And that money goes directly back into this YouTube channel. I have yet to make any money from any of these videos, but I figure, why not try it out? While doing some research, I found a review on this light on YouTube. I found that it was made by one of the companies that I actually have a lot of things from. And if you'd like to see a video on my full camera setup, please let me know in the comments. I'm a nerd for that kind of stuff, so let me know. I actually personally had no idea that SmallRig made video lights, let alone lights in general. Let's get into the meat and potatoes of this light and some of the features that come with it and some of the things that I really enjoy about it. In the box, we are greeted with the light, a charging cable, and a squishy light diffuser that is honestly kind of fun to play with. The light has two mounting areas where you can mount it horizontal or you can mount it vertical, and the feel in hand is light and quite good actually with the metal backing and the plastic front diffuser. When you turn it on, you can see the individual LEDs, but when you place that squishy diffuser on it, it'll properly diffuse the light and give you that soft look. The video light has full RGB capability with being able to, quoting from the website, do 36,000 colors, which is amazing. And without just regurgitating the information that's found on the website itself, personally me, I've seen a very deep and rich color, comparing the color to my video lights, which are being operated by the Philips Wiz that I put in my soft boxes. I feel like the Wiz lights are a lot more muted and don't get as full of color, but this light gives you the opportunity of having that deep and rich color that you sometimes need. And not only is it RGB, it also goes through the full Kelvin cycles from 2500 to 8500 Kelvin and hits 1580 lux. And if you don't know what a lux is, neither did I until I had to look it up to understand what the heck I was reading. According to what I've read, lumens is a measure of the amount of light emitted from the light source, and a lux is the measurement of the amount of light that falls onto a surface. It was confusing to me at the beginning, but I did find a photo on the internet that made the whole thing make a lot more sense. And according to what I understand, 1580 lux is actually a good range. The RM120 is touted to have a really long battery life, sitting around 5,000 milliamp hours, and is charged via USB Type-C. And SmallRig states that you can go 3 hours of continuous lighting at full power, which means if it's dimmed, I would say you'd probably last about 5. I haven't tried it yet, but I might. According to the website, it weighs 240 grams, or in freedom units, 7.2 ounces, or even better, almost a half a pound. As for the temperature of this light, I've really never noticed it getting hot when I make my videos. According to SmallRig's website, the light has an all-metal shell to help get rid of that heat and dissipate it. Also, I don't think too much heat would be made because they are LED, and LEDs are known for not being as hot as other forms of light. lights, but I guess it could still get hot over time. There are 12 features that come with this light, some of them including paparazzi, welding, fireworks. There's even a police light, and I could see some of these effects coming in handy in a couple of different scenarios. But as for me, I usually keep it on a cooler white for making sure that I have the best color profile when it comes to filming. To turn on the light, there's a power switch at the very top that you'll switch to the right. And in order to access these modes, you use the dials that are on the right-hand side of the light, and there's a small screen on the back top right corner that displays all of the information that has to do with the light, color temperature, battery life, and brightness. By spinning the top wheel, you control the brightness. By using the middle wheel, you go up or down to change the color temperature of the light, as well as the color of the RGB. The button on the bottom right-hand side helps you change to different modes, such as changing the RGB or going back to only wanting to change Kelvin, and also gaining access to the effects. Anyways, guys, this was a quick video this week. If you have any suggestions for any future videos, please drop a comment down below. If you have any questions about this light that you think that other people might have, drop those questions in the comments as well. If you guys like this video, give it a like. If you really like this video, hit that subscribe button and consider joining the family. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay classy. Bye. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. I'm going to answer the question about my beard, and then we'll get over to the item that I have over here in the corner, like I always do at the end of my videos. So I was trimming my beard, and I got a little bit too close on the side here, and so I just decided to take it off and start over, which is good. I'll have a healthy beard probably by the next video. It's only been a couple of days, so let's go ahead and get into the item over here. If you guys don't know, at the end of every video, I try to show something cool that I have in a collection or something. This is not a can of Blue Moon. This is actually a candle. A candle. Wow. That was a dad joke. Anyway, it smells like oranges, and it's actually from the area where Blue Moon is brewed. My sister got it for me, so that's really cool. And it sits over yonder. I don't really like candles very often. I just thought this was a really cool novelty. Plus, it smells really good. So anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next one.